These two sides know each other very well, and I'm not referring to the Betway Premiership. As we see the customary greeting by Mamelodi Sundowns, we will see, of course, the index finger raised. The sky is the limit.
It has been totally a wonderful tournament, and we've had some great moments. But for me, I don't think it would be a game or a score but it would be a skill. Liqelele lidlala ibhola Mareletse phezukwayo kamkam batsho izanayo kahle Simphiwe Mlondo sebenzile unozinti sondela lantwana samujonga bangaba khulu lembumbulu into enzima eGaugelo phezukwayo captain wayidlala kaMandu siquba kodwa yamshiya uyaphinda ubuya nayo nqe Gaugelo nqe uxinzelelo kanti ke siphinde sikubonise pha into phansi kwenzeka nqe Ntokozo siquba uza nayo pha phakathi uzawufuna ukhangela umuntu anomnika yona kodwa uyajika umfomkhulu phezukwayo ifikile kuyo uThando wakhaba bekile cabangeni zawuza kahle ungubane phambi kwakhe nkamuhelo mshiya ngamendu asebenza uKamza wayikhusela ibhola yakhe afika uLiam uzoyiqokelela uSompempe uyivuthela impempe yakhe ephelisa isiqingatha sokuqala ukuzawuthi ngoku okokunjalo Dipinari uqhuba usuka ngasemva uyongena eboxini eMamelodi Sundowns ingabe uyangena kusini na yaphumelela uVincent Sithole akavumi Kabelo Karabo izawukwehla kahle Kabelo phakamise amehlo lantwana ifuna uzibona bayidlala ngobudala ibhola ifikile Monanyane besebenzile esithi ufuna ukhangelela kona yokugqibela bethu nozinti Dipinari phezukwayo Ntokozo sibona bangayizisa na Intokozo kweqela leMamelodi Sundowns phakamise amehlo umbonile ubalekile uGaugelo
And as I've requested earlier, look at that cross again. It's back to Modika. Kapteini. The shot. Beautiful shot. Well taken. Great technique by both striker and goalkeeper. In the D, as we have a look at that. Onto the left foot. On target. Read that very well is Thabiso Nene. And Randburg in the inaugural Bay Hill Premier Cup. Their debut. They will also look to get their hands on the one with the big ears. Shot over the crossbar. Can they capitalize on this opportunity to come forward? And on the ball for them is Mhlongo. Dipinari, the shot. He just scrolls over his foot. Dipinari will look at this one and say, should have put the laces. Those opportunities don't come often. And Amazulu will know that. As Sundowns now come forward. Very dangerous position. Modika, the cross is good. But equally, with long-range shots in the previous games. Juju. The shot. Goal!
Kwelihle elifakwe pha kudibe emveni kwebhola efakwe nguSelwyn Stevens sebenzile umfomkhulu sanda kungena kusemchaqaqa wayivuthela uSompempe kwakabini wayivuthela uSompempe kwakathathu waphela umdlalo omhle Mamelodi Sundowns 1 qala le Amazulu qanda Qox eMbandeskova